Hi, these are three friends water, glycerin, and oil. They thought they should race. Let's see who won.
Wow, water was quick. Glycerin is very slow. Oil is neither fast nor slow. This is the result. Why does water always come first? Because it practiced well? No. Let us see the reason by putting the pearl into three liquids. First, water. The pearl moves quickly to the bottom. Next, oil. The pearl takes some time to hit the bottom. In glycerin, it takes lot of time to hit the bottom. This is because of the property of liquid called viscosity. Viscosity is liquid's resistance to flow. Let us see this further by the intermolecular structure of the liquid. This picture shows the strength of the intermolecular bonds. Let us see the flow of liquids in another setup. Water has low viscosity, hence low strength of molecular bonds. Hence it flows easily due to less friction. Oil equal to medium viscosity, which means it has medium strength of molecular bonds. The friction between the molecules is also medium. Glycerin has high viscosity, hence high strength of molecular bonds. It has very high friction between the molecules. Hence, it does not flow easily. Thank you for watching. Do try this race at home with various liquids.